56, Stepford Connect, service to Port Benton. Calling at Stepford East, St Helens Bridge, Angel Pass, Bowdon, Coxley, Benton, and Port Benton. This train is formed of 5 coaches. The train now standing at platform 3 is the 0956 Stepford Express, service to Benton. Calling at St Helens Bridge and Benton. This train is formed of 5 coaches. First class is located at the rear of the train.
Welcome on board this Stepford Express service to Benton. We will call at St Helens Bridge and Benton. The next station will be St Helens Bridge.
Stepford Connect, service to Port Benton.
We will shortly be arriving at St Helens Bridge. Change here for trains to Verily and Morganstown. Please mind the gap between the train and the platform.
This train is formed of 5 coaches. First class is located at the rear of the train.